Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Morgan Options. Here I show you how to trade binary options. And today's strategies will be... Stop! Before we get started, I just want to ask you one thing. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and put a like. Because I've never seen such a detailed guide like mine anywhere else. And of course, don't forget about my Telegram channel. Message me on Telegram and get even more useful information and start trading with me. So let's begin today's trading. Today I'm trading with cryptocurrencies and all the assets with the most optional price movement characteristics and payout percentage are visible to you right now. I have conducted a detailed market analysis over this period and conducted that today I will demonstrate this indicator combination, which includes the fractal bands with a period of 4, the fractal with a period of 5, and the MACD oscillator with these periods. For cryptocurrency trading, this is the most optional strategy. And for today's price movement, there are the best settings. And I will open all trades on the 1 minute time frame and I will try to explain each trade in detail so that by the end of the video you will have as much useful information as possible. Today I will be using a breakout strategy and the breakout will occur through the crossing of the upper and lower fractal bands. Let's start with $75 and I will explain everything step by step. Let's slowly begin the analysis and start trading and select the first asset for the most optional entry. The trade entry didn't take long and here I will open a buy position. This is against the actual trend direction and it's quite a tricky entry. So I won't open an additional trade if the first one doesn't work out. However, let me explain the entry logic. First, yes, there was a very strong downward movement earlier, but we are not focusing on that. It's just supplementary for this trade. The fractal lower band was breached, indicating a breakout and a price retracement. There is also confirmation from the MACD oscillator's moving average crossing, with the signal line crossing the main MACD line. We also see a change in volume direction on its histogram. So we are opening a trade for a price retracement. I made the right decision for this trade entry. And the first position closed in profit. Let's continue trading and select the next asset. Here I will open a sell position. In general, there is more downward volume in the price movement, so I have decided to open a sell position. Why is there a retracement in the price action? Well, even though the lower fractal band was breached, and I'm primarily focusing on that. The retracement is happening because there is a structural level here that's reaching to the price movement. And after this retracement, I believe the price should go lower. We also see a change in volume direction on the oscillator's histogram. So let's watch the result. A few seconds left. And the position closes in profit. My entry point was absolutely correct. I was focused on the lower fractal band being breached, and overall I was right. I will continue opening trade with $75 for the next positions. Let's keep trading and pick the next asset. If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. Here I will open a buy position. I'm primarily focusing on the MACD oscillator. And right now the lower fractal band should be updated. There is a crossover between the signal line and the MACD line. And the volume has gradually changed from downward to upward. In case this trade fails, I will open an additional buy position. Overall, the general trend is upward, and there has been a considerable retracement in the price action, so I will likely open an additional trade here. For now, there is a double crossover of the moving average, and this is a tricky entry point, even for me. So let's try to find a better cryptocurrency and analyze a different entry. I'm not overly confident in this entry. It's a risky trade, so let's continue and choose the next asset. Now, here, I really like the entry point. I believe a structural level will be breached here. Experience plays a big role in this decision. Most likely, the lower fractal band will be breached, and the price will go downward. I came to this conclusion because the moving average on my oscillator crossed from top to bottom. So, let's watch the result of this trade. About several seconds left. And the position closes in profit. Excellent. So, let's talk a bit about the logic of these indicators. So, first, always watch for the crossovers on your oscillator and then find the breakout in the corresponding direction. Only then you should open the trade. It's not that difficult. With a little practice, you will be able to make it work. Let's open one more position with the maximum balance amount, and I will take one more risk. Let's continue and choose the next asset. Immediately, I will open a buy position here. The upper fractal band is currently being breached in this area. And there is also a crossover between the signal line and the MACD line. The volume direction and color have changed, and we have also formed a new global high. So, I believe the price movement should go upward. Let's watch the result. And the position closes in profit. Excellent, a good profit for today's trading session. So, as a final move, I will open a trade for $185. Even if the position closes in lows, a profit of $450 would be fine with me. Let's analyze one more interesting entry and select the final asset. Why not? The trade entry didn't take long. It's a risky entry, but there is potential for a further upward move. Another slight breach of the upper fractal band. It wasn't the best entry point. Perhaps I should have waited for the retracement, but there was a crossover of the MACD signal and main line. Still, I think I rushed a bit. I should have waited a better entry point, or maybe even picked a different entry. In any case, about several seconds left. Let's wait for the trade to finish. And the position closes in profit. Excellent! Despite rushing the entry, the signal worked out, and I closed the trade in profit. A great result for today's trading. Let's fix it and move on to the withdrawal. Today's profit totals $805. The withdrawal operation is being successfully proceeded. This is today's trading session using this combination of indicators. As you can see, there were quite a few different signals, and as I mentioned in the beginning, this strategy is universal and works well with almost any type of price movement. Whether it's a retracement or trend following, you can always find the right signal and entry point. You just need to understand the behavior of the trend and the behavior of your indicators. With a bit of practice, you will succeed. If you have any question, you can find a link to my Telegram in the video description and ask any question you have. I will do my best to help everyone. Wishing you a great day and many more successful trades.